In this video, I'll walk you through the most important object snaps, or OSNAPs, in AutoCAD and show you how they improve drafting accuracy and efficiency. Object snaps help you connect geometry precisely by locking onto exact points, such as endpoints, midpoints, centers, intersections, and more. Endpoint snap is perfect for connecting lines cleanly, while midpoint helps maintain symmetry and balance in layouts. Center and quadrant snaps are especially useful for circles and arcs, ensuring accurate placement around curved objects. Intersection and perpendicular snaps help maintain precise geometric relationships, which is essential in technical drawings. Tangent snap is ideal for smooth transitions with curves, and insertion snap makes positioning blocks or text much more reliable. Features like geometric center and extension snaps provide even more control for advanced layouts and proportional alignment. It's smart to enable only the OSNAPs you actually need, since too many active snaps can slow down workflow or cause unwanted selections. Mastering these tools can dramatically improve both speed and precision in your workflow. Subscribe for more honest, practical tech tutorials that help you draft smarter and work more efficiently in AutoCAD.